इफ़ यू वांट टू लर्न समथिंग तो फिर आपको इस वीडियो को पूरा देखना ही पड़ेगा। हाय, दिस इज यतीश कुमार एंड टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट MATLAB. So MATLAB is nothing. It is just like a super calculator, super powerful calculator that also allows you to write programs. It is short for matrix laboratory. We work on matrix in MATLAB. Okay, हम matrix के ऊपर काम करते हैं. Even a single scalar quantity is treated as 1 into 1 matrix. Okay, so how you are going to use MATLAB? So there are 3 methods by which you can use MATLAB. One, you download the MATLAB program, okay, that is very large and expensive. Second, you download the free Octave program that in which you can utilize all the MATLAB scripts and commands. Third, that is most easiest one, you go to Google, search MATLAB online and you can utilize online version of MATLAB like I am going to show you now. So you need to create your ID here. I have already done that. मैंने अपनी ID पहले ही बना रखी है. So after creating your ID, just click on Open MATLAB online. You will get 20 hour per month. Okay. So 20 घंटे मिलेंगे आपको हर मंथ. Just open MATLAB online. Okay. So after opening MATLAB online version, you will see here, this is your command window, this is your workspace. Let's write down our first command. So yes, this was our first code and we have successfully written it down. Now you can also create script here. This is your script window. Let me make it more clear to you guys. See that in our command window you can see what is see. It have displayed or run our command. It have displayed and successfully. Okay, now all of your saved script will display here. This is your folder, this is your command window, this is your script window. You have to save it, you have to name it. You can write it down, our first script. You can save it here and all of your variables you can see in workspace. So yeah, this is our MATLAB online version application. So MATLAB stand for Matrix Laboratory. It is like a super power calculator that allows you to write programs. You can utilize MATLAB online version that is free and we can utilize it for our assignments.
गोली मारो असाइनमेंट आनू
असाइनमेंट करना जरूरी है.
Now moving forward, what are the key characteristics of MATLAB? So MATLAB can calculate numerical values. In MATLAB is primarily designed for working with numbers, especially in the form of matrices and arrays. You can visualize data with the help of MATLAB. You can work on matrix. It is extensible with the help of toolbox and interactive and scriptable. We have already seen that. You can use MATLAB interactively by typing commands directly into command window, or you can write script that you can save in M file in your script window, and you can create reusable code. Now, basic terminology that you need to know. So, command window, this is the primary interface where you type commands and see immediate results. It is like a calculator for MATLAB. Like if you type 2 plus 3, you will see the answer will be 5. Okay. Workspace, the area usually in the right side of the MATLAB window, display all the variables you have created in the current session along with their values and data type. A variable, so a variable, a named location in memory used to store data. In MATLAB, you don't need to declare a variable type before using it. Now, please note that using semicolon at the end of a command suppresses the output being displayed. Okay, so it will not display or print your given code. This is very useful when you are creating large variable. Okay, now a scalar, a single number, a single numerical value in MATLAB, a scalar is treated as a 1 into 1 matrix. For example, a is equal to 5. Now, vector. What are vectors? Vectors are something that have directions and magnitude, or in simply we can say that a vectors are the collection of numbers. Okay, a vector can be in the form of row. Okay, so a row vector must be created with the help of commas or simply spaces. A column vector must be created with the help of semicolons. Okay, so you use semicolons. Now it will create a vector like this. This one will be created like this. So this is a row vector and this is a column vector. Matrix, a group of vector can be defined as a matrix or a two-dimensional array of number. Okay, so note here we have created a 2 into 2 matrix. How? Like that. Now, what is an array? A general term for the collection of data elements organized into dimensions. Vectors and matrix are the specific type of arrays. Now, functions, this is really important. Functions are self-contained blocks of code that perform a specific task. Like you can, with the help of a function, you can calculate average of a particular data, you can plot something, you can add something, or you can utilize sine and cos functions. For example, if you use sum function here, it will provide 1 plus 2 plus 3, that is 6. Okay. Now, script, we have already seen that script, we save them in M file so that we can reuse them, and we write script in script window. And live script, we can also create live script, a newer type of file in MATLAB that will be saved in .mlx file that allows you to combine code output for formulate text including equations and images in a single interactive document. It is excellent for creating shareable notes and tutorials. Now, comments. Please note that after a percentage symbol, whatever you write down at the right of the percentage symbol, that will be ignored by MATLAB. Okay, lines in your code that are ignored by MATLAB are the comments. Okay, they start with percentage symbol and are used to explain what your code does, making it understandable for yourself and others. So, after writing a code, you can make a comment, write down your comment, what this code does or why have you written this in this form. Now, operations. There are different types of operations that we can perform in MATLAB, like arithmetic operators, adding some data, maybe subtract, maybe we want to multiply it, divide it, or we want to use the power operator. Element wise operator we can also utilize, and then we have other operators like relational operators, logical operators that we will understand in future, and indexing. Okay, accessing specific element or subset of arrays using their position. Okay, MATLAB use one based indexing, meaning the first element is at position 1. Okay, now if you have explained a variable v and give it some values like 10, 20, 30, and if you put indexing like v1, it will give you the first value, that is 10 here. Okay, if you write down v2 to 4, okay, it will provide you the values of second, third, fourth. Okay, so 20, 30 and 40 are our second, third and fourth value. Okay, and then we have directory or folder, the location on your computer where MATLAB files are stored. Okay, now this is your assignment. Go to MATLAB online version, open it, make your ID, and then write a MATLAB script to perform a few basic calculations. We want to do the following: define two numbers, let's call them a and b, add them together and store the result into new variable called sum result, multiply them together and store the results in new variable called product results, display the value of sum result and product result with the help of display function. Now I have provided the answer here. You can pause the video, see it. All you need to practice this assignment in MATLAB. So this is it for today. In order to understand and learn MATLAB, it is really important that you complete all the assignment that I provide you. So yeah, this is Yatish Kumar signing off.